Getting that signature jollof flavor in my jollof wasn't just hard. It was war between burnt rice, flavor flops, and kitchen disaster. I remember feeling completely lost until I learned this game-changing method. Come with me and let me show you how to make this delicious smoky Nigerian jollof rice. Alright, let's get started. Line the pans with foil for easy clean up and to prevent sticking. Get your sliced tomatoes, bell pepper, chili pepper, onion, all going into the pan. Ensure to cut the peppers slices as uniform as you can. This will help them bake evenly. Don't forget to add your garlic, thyme, and sprinkle some vegetable oil. Alright guys, pay attention. This is where the magic begins. We are roasting these vegetables, not just for heat, but for depth. Alright, let me explain. That burnt edge that occurs during roasting, it brings out the natural sweetness, the smokiness, and the soul of each ingredient. Because in jollof rice, the base isn't just important, it is everything. Now it's time to fry the tomato paste, which is also a crucial step in building that rich, authentic Nigerian stew flavor. Heat up your vegetable oil until it's hot but not smoky. Then add a slice of onion and bay leaf. Fry until it's translucent. Then add your tomato paste. Stir continuously as you fry, allowing the paste to cook properly and lose its sour taste. This process deepens the flavor and forms the perfect base for our stew. Fry for about 10 to 15 minutes until the oil begins to separate from the paste. That's how you know it's ready. The aroma at this stage is everything, rich and mouth-watering. Here we have our beautifully roasted pepper mix. I'll be using some of the roasted pepper for the chicken marinade and the rest for the tomato paste. In a blender, add the red bell pepper, chili pepper, onion, garlic, and some ginger. In the same blender, I'll add my salt, seasoning cube, chili powder, chicken seasoning, hot chili pepper, and groundnut oil. I'll cover this and give it a nice blend. as this will serve as the marinade for my chicken. I'll mix it very well, then allow it to rest for 1 to 2 hours before roasting. The rest of the roasted pepper will be blended and I'll set it aside. So I'll check on the tomato paste that's been frying for a while now, and as you can see, it's nicely fried and ready. So it's time to introduce the blended roasted peppers. Add the blended peppers into your tomatoes and continue frying. So I'll fry this for about 2 minutes and I'll add my spices. I'll be using some curry powder, ginger powder, garlic powder, white pepper powder. I'll mix this and add my chicken stock to loosen up the tomato paste. Mix properly and cover so this can simmer. Yeah, it's been steaming for about 3 minutes, so it's time to introduce the washed rice. I wash my rice and soak it with hot water for about 10 minutes. Then rinse it properly so it is ready to go into the stew. Mix to combine properly, then add little amount of water. You have to add little amount of water because jollof rice doesn't require lots of water, but heat. So for you to be able to get the heat that is required to cook this jollof rice nicely, you need to cover your pot with some foil, aluminium foil. Cover it to trap your heat and cover it to cook nicely on low heat. While cooking your jollof rice, it's important to open the pot only about 2 to 3 times to stir. Jollof rice needs steam to cook evenly and to lock in that signature smoky flavor. Constant stirring lets out steam and make the jollof soggy instead of fluffy. So stir gently when you do, just to prevent it from burning at the bottom and to distribute the rich flavor tomato paste evenly. Remember, less stirring, more steaming gives you that perfect party jollof rice every time. So let's check on the chicken. As you can see, the chicken is well roasted. Wow. I added some fish because I felt like eating some fresh fish with my jollof rice. I used the same pepper sauce for it, and as you can see, it came out so nice and tastes very delicious. Back to the jollof rice. So the jollof is almost ready. At this stage, I'll open and put my butter, stir very well, and cover again. You can feel free to add onion too if you want to slice your onion and add it in with the butter. But for this recipe, I'll be using just my butter. I'll stir it very well, cover the pot, then allow it to cook for a few 1 to 2 minutes, and my jollof rice is ready. So if you have watched up until this time, thank you so much. Please always remember to subscribe to this channel. Click on the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So as you can see, the jollof rice is ready and is ready to be enjoyed. Feel free to try this recipe and let me know in the comment section when you try it. I'll see you again. Bye.